a little cold and a little wet, but I came in on time, and the bike ran very well. We had a few concerns about it yesterday, but we sort of straightened them out with a little tappet adjustment first thing this morning. We just decided to take a look. One looked a little tight to us. We loosened it up. No feeler gauges. That's for serious wrenches. So we just loosened the intake and ran like a scalded dog. Or maybe it was a wet dog. It was good to get in, and it was very nice of the museum folks to feed us yet another time.
Buck's 21st birthday, and Buck just got his 21st birthday present from his dad. Hold it up nice.
I get the other half when I get to San Francisco.
He got that half tonight on his birthday. He gets this half. This is a $1,000 bill, as you can see. Because we're from Texas, we do things big.
Yeah.
So he gets his other half of the 1,000 in San Francisco when he rolls in.
Yeah.